30 seconds.
Almost done. 30 seconds.
I don't know the name. The New York person.
Wes, you played them, right? I'm from Wisconsin. Last ball, last serve, last serve. Wow. Hey, there it is.
We're good.
I guess I'll. Where's my team? I don't know.
Where do y'all want to hit?
One more. Might be cool to use $2. No, this one right here. This one here.
That's fine.
You guys got an electronic fix up.
Okay, check for them.
Pat, can I borrow your window?
Phil went to go get it.
Joey, good to see you, man. How you been? Good. You? You're doing black team now. How are you guys doing today? Are you gonna play red flag? I don't want to play anymore. Back one. I got it. I'll score it. One more. What's time? 1 minute! I'll do the board. I'll do the board, guys. I know it's really hard. Oh my Josh. Josh? Yeah. 20 seconds. Last it. You're right. Warren. You guys are New York Knights, right? New York Knights. New York Knights. Oh, right. No, I was just asking. It was New York Knights, right? Yeah, that's right. Thank you, Pat. Service order.
1, 2, 3.
It is 11. 11.
That's 28.
One. What number are you?
173. 11.
Take it easy. Let's get it. You'll get it. Oh, that was a hard fist.
What? This is what you're doing it?
Yo, I can't have it.
Yeah, we did. I think we were allowed
to be honest.
Whoa, what is it? I think his leg is biased. Give out. I'm not even wearing his jersey. Give out. Ricky. Yo, whose umbrella is it?
It can't be You're not covering me at all.
Not me, bro. Oh, sorry.
Orlando, you are not a shiesty guy. You are not that guy. We haven't had Hey, holy shit. The Baba brothers. Shiesty sister. I want him hard. Let's go. Stay hard. Come hard, stay hard. Wait, what? Thank you. Hutch said that. Stay hard. The shiesty siblings. Shiesty Stibbs. Alright, that's Orlando. Hey, wait. Let's see the house. Yes, sir! So awful. Hey, go! Joshua! Nice! Oh! Swing! Press our timer! Yes! Body! Gordon, that's your whole nipple. I was on it. I have the mark on my skin.
This is our umbrella.
We got you, bro.
Hey, sucks!
We're on this side.
Just win, pussy. Team Boston Knights. Let's keep pushing, keep pushing! Right team.
You know that?
I don't know. I've heard it for a while. We've all heard it. That guy's an OG.
That was
They're playing diamond.
Yo, Brinton was not born.
See
number 33, Brinton? Number 33. We started playing 9-man before you were born. I want you to know that.
That shit went straight down.
Back in, we got it.
How can I walk? The ball goes straight down.
I'm not talking about it.
No, because he hit down.
I don't know how it look.
Let's go.
Ricky, what the hell? What are you doing?
1, 2, 3 Knights.
Ricky, stop doing that.
It was not Mike, I swear.
That's a great response.
Oh!
That's my fault. That's
1, 2, 3 Knights.
That's on the ref.
Yeah, obviously. My hand is this side.
Oh, he's like 21.
This mic is for my safety. You can't say nothing to me.
Hey, stop chatting with the rap. New York National.
We're good. We got it. Back back in. 1, 2.
Don't block.
I sound like you're setting. What's going on?
Setter? He's just back.
Take your spot.
The far outside for
Y'all blaming it.
I'm gonna just say that. He's like 4.
I see you, right?
6'7". Sorry.
Just right. Why'd you say it was? You should know.
Good. Pin, inside.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, she did.
Over.
Okay, Ricky.
Oh, there's no.
Come on, That's all right.
I'm fucking 5'9".
Good.
Let's go. Double A grass outside.
Break it open. Come on.
Don't let them break it. He plays open to break it. He's double A.
He kind of cocked back.
Hey. Josh
Yo, objectively, that shit was ass. That was not. Objectively, so illegal.
That was bad.
Objectively.
Good
And that's how you go. Oh, Vince.
Not bad.
Take the little setter that goes. Ricky.
Oh, nice block.
Back in.
So hard.
Get up, Mike! Push. Good. Out. Nice. 1, 2, 3, nice.
You want to do the same thing that I did?
Push it.
Pass, Josh.
Lunge it. 5.
Corey. Bro, why are you blocking 3 feet off? Good work. Way to be aggressive.
There you go.
Wait, Benjamin Chenefley? Wait, that's Benjamin Ben. He has like 80,000 followers.
Holy good. Yeah.
Play the whistle.
What?
I know. Keep it consistent.
One of y'all.
Right on you. Fire.
Steven is good. With the hat up.
It's like 90 degrees.
Seems kind of playing.
Outside. Pin. Off.
Whoa.
Kids, you're huge.
Content check on Pink Swords. Content.
Good.
Oh my god, and that rolled up. That's definitely.
Wait, again.
Yes!
I think that's a Hey,
Good. I agree with you. It's a double thing.
yo, keep that guy in control. Don't let him talk to you. Like, pull out the cards.
My man Lonnie has to alive. I don't believe him, bro.
I do believe it.
I don't believe anything Noah has to say.
Pull out the cards, Phil. Pull out the cards.
Come on, Vince.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Who was that?
It was Josh Pack.
Joshua! What are you doing?
God.
Let's go.
I really like that. Josh has some big shoes to fill today.
Jesse Smith's there. Okay, boy.
I got you 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Let's push.
Yo, let me see this down.
Let's go. Keep pushing. Okay. Do the win.
Wes. Win.
Push.
After reset.
Pin. Go.
Yo, honestly,
1, 2, 3, nice.
100%. I'll take the over-under. Beats Knights.
We take that. It's a win. Keep pushing, y'all. Right here. Break away.
They win by 3.
Nice server. 7. I want to see something so silent. 16? We're giving you 9. Sorry. 69.
This is correct, right?
Wait.
15. Okay, I follow the book. I was wrong. I thought they were up for
Use it! Push the net in.
That's a 3-1.
Bill.
That's 1.
Hey, team.
Hey, let's go!
And then they won the game. I think I thought they won. So now it's 50. Oh, they did?
It was in there.
He just pointed to feel my face and eye. I need to up my face.
He was all on fight.
It's always my nose.
Yeah.
It's hot.
That's a 3, 1, 2, 3, nice! Let's go, Woo! Gotta get home, baby!
Let's go, Nat.
Here we go, let's push! Pause. Alright, guys, let's drop it short. I didn't know. Short! More of that!
Keep pushing, keep pushing. Come on. And then you step it up, my brother.
Yes.
Okay, two pass.
Okay. We're good. That's gonna happen. Back in. 1, 2.
Push three.
Hey, Brock. Good.
Hey!
Nine, 2.
Oh!
Go back.
How many bodies can we count?
Let's go. Take a pass. One pass. Hey, float, aggressive hands.
Come back here. Here he goes. Keep pushing. Oh, yep. Keep pushing. Let's go.
Win.
Push it right here.
Good pass.
Good. Swing. That's the right move. Reset. That's it. Everybody got it. Back in. 1, 2. 5, 6.
7.
Yeah, team. Oh! Okay, Josh. Okay, Vince. Use that. Right here.
Possible.
One stop.
Oh, game point. Go down.
Map is 23, but go stick a pass here. Spin.
Start check.
Slur check.
Whoa!
Oh.
Big whistle, though. No whistle.
That's such an L. Nah, bro. That's such an L.
No. It's. Back in. 1, 2. Forward. Good. Yeah. Oh! Go! Let's take it back here. 1, 2, 3, Knights!
Maybe he hits the press.
Trust the passes. 1 point. I got it. Hey, next point. Follow everything. Oh, Vince. Yeah, T-ball. Right there. Go. There we go. Nice on 3, 1, 2, 3, Knights. Let's settle.
Take a break.
Let's get some relax. Come really hard.
No, you're good. No. I can be better.
Catching the ball and then just going. You know what I mean? It's like freezing the ball. It's not like
No. I think you're right.
I think that's
He is right. No, it's okay. Call it both ways. Just make sure it's even. If I know I can catch it that much, the game's gonna be fun.
Watch your days.
Oh,
Yeah, go both sides.
Where's this
Yo,
one?
what's his name? Phil. Hear what he just said? He said we need to up rep.
We have someone else?
What?
That's your OT.
No, I'm actually down to up if you don't. Just because I actually like really great job.
If I hear one more word from someone, it's a red card. Fuck out of here. No warning.
Way it looked like.
You got a red card.
The ref's gone crazy. Ref, do something. Ref, do something. Ref, do something. I checked it. I like it.
I'm yelling back.
Now you have like
Red card, my own ref.
Wait a minute. What the fuck? That was kind of nasty.
Right? Got violent.
That was kind of
That's
sick.
good. That's valid. That's valid.
Why am I throwing to myself? Right?
Oh, right off the net?
Yeah. Of course. I think that's good.
All right,
You're
good.
good. Are you coming through? You're good. Hey, you got it. We're serving. Serving. Run it back. Run it back. Come on now. Right here. Right here. Right here. I'll take this finish right now. No.
Take the shirt off.
Here you go. Serve's coming. New game. New game.
It's like down there.
Let's go. Roll up. In. Come on.
Push.
Here we go. Here we go. Keep pushing. 9, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9. Push it, push, push!
I feel you. That guy's OP!
Very good, right? Back into 1, 2.
Audio goes. Oh no! I'm on zone.
Here!
Oh my god.
Oh,
Come on!
What's happening?
crazy jungle ball.
All in. I want you to yell. I was like, oh, no,
What was that play, bro?
Let's go, keep pushing. 9, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, nice!
7. Yeah.
Service check. New service, new service.
If you guys are keeping the same service.
Service check.
7 is 7.
So number 7, right? Seems right. Yeah, outside.
That's mini cam punch. I like that. Let's move them together in this one cam punch.
We got it.
What the fuck?
What about height wise? Like as a legend.
There's no win now. Good. Yeah.
Hey, okay. He's reaching. No, he's got you dashed.
Let's go. And now go up top. Let's go. 2, 3, nice. Go guys.
Hold on.
Yeah, nice. Outside. Off. Let's go. Keep pushing. 1, 2, 3, nice. Push it. Up in here, set up.
Right.
Keep pushing.
I got it up there.
Keep pushing, push right.
That was cool. Let it slide. That was cool.
Keep pushing. Hey. 6 and 9. Eli.
Read that shit back and just take that recycle. The fact that you look like you're wearing like half of the one of those. You also got the blue on your. You look like a Jedi Master.
Not even hard yet. What?
Left, team left, team left. Hey, watch it curl.
Tight, tight.
Oh!
That's it. Great, great, great.
Oh, yeah!
Let's go.
Let's push right here, side out.
Out of the way, stop the bleeding.
Inside, inside.
Wait.
Almost got it back.
Ed, you can play that, Ed. Who's in that?
Yeah, he could have played that. I thought about it.
Oh, Vince, good serve. Come on now. Unbiased serve.
Yeah, take him down.
Thank you. Are you holding that mic, bro?
Let's push, let's go. Wait, no. Number one, off the serve. Yeah. Ace. Almost 69. Right back in. Keep pushing all the way through. 11. Oh,
Yeah, those two are far apart.
all the way through.
They don't make sense. Oh shit, I picked that out loud.
Ref, do something.
Ref, do something.
Oh, body.
What do you mean, body? How could you tell? I didn't see it.
I didn't see any.
That's funny. I like that.
All right, let's go. Side out. In.
Yeah,
Get back in, side out. Hey, push the ball. I'll fucking go. Outside, again. Hey, he knows this. Sorry, bro.
His hand is like in it.
Ankle!
There's definitely a bike on that one, bro.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3, nice! Either or.
All alive, all I don't know why the ball started lying.
want the apologies just as
This
loud.
ball is a snitch.
I'm sorry, F, I love you.
This ball is snitching.
Hey, Ricky. I'm getting harder!
Ricky, give no damn ball.
Listen, you said you would fix it. I'll fix it.
I see, receive. Hey, what'd you say?
Yo, Billy, bring the mic. Pressure. You're cracking over there. We need Hayden to do another
We have so many audio sound bites, it's crazy.
The cracks are showing.
We'll get me and Hayden to do it. The cracks are showing. Serve them again. She's wild.
Stop the bleeding.
She's nervous.
Can you
Sounds like him.
No.
Not celebrities. I can do like mannerisms of our friends.
Can't do like, yeah, hard right.
Hayden's just easy. Everyone can do a Hayden impression. Foul. Charles, take your shirt off.
Pause.
Bend over.
Yo, let's get going.
J-Lam, you can put yours back on.
Yeah!
Oh, shit. Yo! SBM.
Got Batman.
You made him run. Yellow card.
Why do you do that?
One, two.
Let's go, let's go. Come on now. Come on. Follow up. One, two, three, nice. New game, let's go! Win, watch win!
Giving top to Wait, Mike. I mean, couch. I thought it was a joust.
Keep pushing!
He didn't stop in the air.
Good pass, great pass!
Does this mic go to Craver's?
Let's go, push!
Howdy!
Keep pushing! 1, 2, 3, nice! Let's go. Push 6 right here! 6 right here! 6 right here! Let's go! Hey, right here, let's push! Hey, Vince, you need to push here. Alright, we good. Let's go, backhand 2, 1, 2! Side right here! Out! Where do you want? Push 5!
Oh, I'm sorry.
2, 3, nice!
Classic.
Yeah, run it! Yes! There we go! Let's push all the way Right through, Knights on three. 1, 2, 3, Knights.
Push two guys. Push two.
Push four, push four.
Low right, deep right. Yeah, outside. Great.
Good one.
Here we go. Side out right here. Walk up.
In and in. Cover.
Inside.
Touch.
Over. Go, Zach.
Hey, one.
Let's go. There we go. Ricky, well done, buddy. Knights on three. 1, 2, 3, Knights.
Go, push three.
Push. Service check. Seven just served. Wait. That was a great pass.
It's always red.
Always red.
Yeah.
Who is it? 7 just served, right?
Yeah.
7 just served.
Correct server. Who's 33? Okay. Server is 33. Correct server.
Just say that. God damn it, bro.
I said that in 5.
2. Go, Nat.
You got it. You got it. Let's go! Come on! Good. Back! Hey! Come on now! It's all good. Push two, come on! I know. Sign right here, come on! Call everything! Yeah! Good!
On the fastball. I think the fastball.
No, it was before the ball.
Before the ball went up, the net was moving. I think the fastball you just jumped into it.
Alright, we're playing this, bro.
Let's go!
The net was like moving.
Which one, boys? Let's go!
Riff has never made a mistake.
Ready? Good.
My God.
Yeah.
Ready, one.
Possible.
Not out here. One right here, guys. One right here.
Let's go.
No,
We don't have a
yeah.
Good.
Me. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I fucking ref! I can survive like rush. Okay.
No, I
I'm pretty sure. One of my best guys.
Wait, you netted for sure. Good shoulder, your side. Let's go, baby. I didn't see it. How did it come in? Wait, you netted, right? The side of your body. Oh, okay. I knew I saw it, right?
Stay.
Are we trying to gaslight me? Crazy, bro.
How fast am I?
in there.
But it's like hard to tell. 'Cause it's like one.
Oh wait, I don't think. Okay, wait. Redo? Play that?
Redo the whole game. Whole game.
Redo the whole game.
Wait, fucking we just stand there. All that shit. Really,
I won't complain about
do
that.
not forget this. Do not forget this. This is where it actually starts. Right? Don't get high on this. Stay smart. Keep doing everything that you want. Get some rest. Everything you need to do. This is where the practice can do the same thing. All right. Keep running. Keep getting all right. Good energy. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. That was good. We got a 31, baby. Wrestles goddamn legs, bitch. I'm really glad he was able to. Yeah.
Make sure we don't like sit for too long because we might be on.
Yeah. Try to stay. It's probably.